Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2015 Jeep Cherokee or Cherokee right there. And complain of this car, it has a check engine light on right there, and I already diagnosed it. And it has Misfire cylinder number 6, and also electronic parking brake, but we're not gonna do that today. We are focusing on the cylinder number 6. So I already, let me turn off the car. I already pre-diagnosed this one, and it has no data stream for Misfire, so I couldn't use my fancy scanner. And according to Google, cylinder number 6 is right here inside this, so 246135 if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, my plan of attack for this car is just replace all of the spark plug and, you know, replace one of the ignition coil. So we already bought parts from Lordco, so NJK, and this is, I don't know what brand is this, made in Brazil, so I'm expecting it will work. I think I saw one ignition coil right there. So am I gonna remove this one, and then this bud, switch this over there, and then the brand new one, I'll put the brand new one over here, and then this old one I'll put in there, so that, let's see, after we finish putting the brand new spark plug and brand new ignition coil, then that ignition coil I will switch it into there. So in case the ignition coil is bad, then I can always just remove it and put back the good one, because I think that's the only ignition coil that you can remove it without removing this intake manifold. So that's the plan of my plan of attack that I'm going to do. But anyway, let's do it. Let's remove all this, you know, intake manifold, so that we can access those spark plug and ignition coil underneath. Alright, so let's start with the battery. Okay. Next one, this intake or air filter. What's this? So to remove this, maybe let's just remove the one over here. Okay. There's some connection over here. Oh, it's hot. There you go. Oh, right here. See it? Right, just right here. Right here. So there's some connection. Right now, remove it. right now. So this 3 ignition coil is already exposed. That was fast. So we just probably need to remove this. 1, 2, 3. There's one more there. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's number 7. And also over here, these are the same like Dodge Caravan. Oh yeah, there's a bracket over here. The same with the Dodge Caravan. Alright. And then as soon as we remove this, we're just gonna lift this and put this on the side, and that's it. And there's 2 more here. Yeah, it's like the same design with the Dutch Caravan. Okay, let's start with these bolts over here. I don't know if you could see it. It's right there. One over there. And another one over there. So again, this is similar to Dutch Caravan. This is number 10. Just loosen it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot, it's hot, hot, hot. Whew. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. Do I need to remove this? I don't think so. Let's just leave it like that. And then let's go over here. So we can remove some of those brackets. This one. Right. And also one over here. Just loosen it and then remove it by hand so it won't fall. And there's one, I think that's number 12. So right here, if you see that thing, this one, it's gonna be hard. It's covered with this plastic actually. Right there, and you could see it. It's covered with that plastic one. That's number 12. Number 12 right there. So that's number 12. Just remove the plastic cover. Let's remove that. So by the way, There's also one bolt over here. It's number there, number 13. So I'm using number 13 wrench. Can use by hand. Oh yeah. Oh boy, it's hot. Oh boy. Come on. Ooh. It's hot. Alright, anyway, that's number 13. Now let's remove also this connection. So that's the bracket. That's it. And I think we should remove this too. Come on, baby. Yeah, so 2 hoses, this and this. Alright, and also I think we gotta remove this. There we go. And this one. There you go. And there you go. Okay, so that's the wire. I think that's it. And this one too, I think. There you go. Alright. Perfect. Now we can start removing bolts that connect the intake manifold. Alright guys, so we're using Torx 20. Alright, so after loosening all the bolts, Torx 20, now we can remove. There you go. Can remove this intake manifold. Alright. There you go. So now let's. So I think this is number 6. Let's see, hold on. Is there any number in here? Nope. Didn't say anything. Oh, it's also made in Brazil. So they're the same. So let's replace this. Alright, so let's remove all the ignition coil. Hot. Don't. Let's inspect this number 6. Let's inspect the wire. So far, good. So this is the bad one. Let's inspect it. Let's put some markings in here. This is number 6. Alright, that's number 6. Okay. Alright, let's remove spark plug. Oh man, slow but. Oh my god, slow but. There we go. Holy smoking. Ooh. Holy cow, champion. What the heck? Look at this. Really? Champion? Those are the cheapest. It is a spark plug. Holy cow, this one has an oil. But it's not that bad. Oh well. So let's put on the new spark plug. So we're using NJK Iridium. So that's the part number, I think. Oh, it's hot. So let's just compare it. Oh, same. Anyway, well, you're gonna use this NJK. All right, that's it. Don't over tighten it. Next one. Alright, guys, so I'm not gonna show you every single one of them of how to install it. So basically just use this 5/8 spark plug socket, then 6 inches, 3/8 extension, and that's it. And then we're also gonna do the one at the back right there, and that's pretty much it. By the way, guys, so this is the old one. So this is the brand new one that we are going to replace. It looks the same, just the markings, but this one is also made in Brazil, and this one also says made in Brazil. There's some difference in the markings, but both of them are made in Brazil. I don't know. Alright. It's good. There you go. So alright guys, so all the spark plug, the brand new spark plug is already in, and also the new ignition coil. So I think later on I'm not gonna put the intake, the air filter hose in here, so that we can remove this one, I think. Then let's gonna put the old one, and let's see the code, if that cylinder number 6 code will go to the, I don't know, this number 1, I'm not too sure. But anyway, that's the plan instead of that one, because when I removed that intake hose, this already exposed. So that's, I think, the best way that we are going to do in order to really probe if the ignition coil is bad, or it's just that, you know, the spark plug. But either way, we're still gonna replace the spark plug. So if the spark plug is bad, then that's fine, but if the ignition coil, then much better. Okay, let's put back the intake manifold, and let's start the car, and then let's scan, you know, the car, and let's see what code we are getting. Alright guys, so everything is back, by the way. Later on I'm gonna remove this and put the ignition coil that is bad. We're not yet sure if that the ignition coil is bad or the spark plug, but that's my plan. I'm just gonna remove this because it's easier. Then put that ignition coil, and then let's recheck our with this scanner. But for now, let's start the car. But by the way, let's hook up our scanner, and then let's see what code we are getting. Hopefully there's no more code. Start the car. There you go. Nice. Okay, hold on, let me turn on the scanner. Alright guys, let's wait. Turn on the AC because it's very hot in here. Whew. I'm seeing my old scanner. As you can see, no fault code. PCM is all normal. No check engine light on. I think that's already fixed. Uh-oh. It's already 7:30. I think I'm not gonna put that you know, that old ignition coil anymore. It's already normal. So that's it. Report. Everything is normal. Again, it's already almost 7:30 in the evening, so I'm not gonna I changed my mind. I'm not gonna put that old ignition coil into that anymore. That's it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure either it's the spark plug or the ignition coil. I don't mind anymore. Anyway, the spark plug is not that expensive, and also the ignition coil is not that expensive too. So, and they already told me, like, just buy it. I mean, like, anyway, they haven't changed the spark plug for a very long period of time. So there you go, that's it. If you had any question in this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Alright guys, so this is just the bonus video. So I'm driving the Jeep Cherokee. So this is the best way to test it. If your work is you fixed the problem and your work is good. So as of right now, there's no check engine light on. Car is running good. So I've been driving the car for more than 10 minutes now. And if your work is no good, check engine light on will appear, but so far no check engine light on. So let's drive it more. So guys, even though we don't switch that ignition coil, test drive is also one of the best way to, you know, to prove that your work is good and those parts that you put it on is good. And as you can see right now, no check engine light on appearing, so meaning your work is good. All right.